What's up, dear geeks and nerds out there in front of the screen? Today I'm back with an unboxing video of the Protectorate of Menoth Shrine of the Lawgiver. It's this black box right over here, and black is quite fitting because this is coming from Black Anchor, which is the specialty part of Protectorate Press, where you can get all their really big models like the Dracodile and the New Cater models that are exclusive to Black Anchor, whereas all the other stuff on Protectorate Press you can just get from them and from other retail stores out there. But this I ordered from Black Anchor in the US, and it arrived just yesterday or the day before, and yeah, time to unpack and have a look what's in the box, how big it is, and everything else we want to know about the Shrine of the Lawgiver. What you can see right away, the box is completely black with this quite stylish embossed Black Anchor Heavy Industries logo on top. Otherwise the box is pretty much tone in tone. Just on the side you can see this is the Shrine of the Lawgiver for the Protectorate of Menoth, and it's an exemplar structure, which is pretty exciting because I really like to play exemplars. So in an exemplar army this could be a really cool model and helps to bring a little bit of extra punch to the army. Alright, let's open up this box and see what's inside. Okay, well cushioned. Okay, here we got the lower part of the structure. 3 pieces of white metal. The huge base. And over here we have the top of the structure. Alright. Well, that's it. I don't know. I guess you need to remember that this is the Shrine of the Lawgiver and not a church for Menoth. So a shrine usually is smaller structure, so I think in that matter it really does fit. Here is a jack in comparison with it. Still is about double the size of a jack. I don't have a colossal or a war engine over here, so I cannot compare them in size, but I have a feeling that both are about the same size as this structure over here. So yeah, gotta see how that looks in comparison with those two. But so far it looks really good. It feels really solid and nice, and I think it's going to be easy to paint. And then it should look quite nice on the battlefield next to my army. Yeah, just 5 pieces, 2 really big pieces of resin. They're completely solid over here. So, and then 3 pieces of white metal. I think 2 go over here, and maybe, yeah, it looks like those flames will go over here, so then you have flames next to the door so that the shrine is illuminated. Alright, that was my quick first look at the Shrine of the Lawgiver from Black Anchor Industries, or Black Anchor Heavy Industries, the specialty large model, resin model part of Protectorate Press. I hope you found this useful. If you did, thumbs up is always appreciated. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button, and let me know in the comments if you want to see how I'm going to paint up this model. And yeah, If you got any questions, the comments is also the place to ask these. Thanks for watching and see you at the next video.